My name is Nishant. I am student of the week. Tomorrow I will be sharing this book to my classmates. The title of the book is There is a Bird on Your Head. The author is Willems, and the two characters are Piggie and Gerald. There is a Bird on Your Head by Willems. Piggie! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're lovebirds. The two birds are lovebirds. They're lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they're lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs are on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. Okay, I will try ask him. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It works. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggie. Thank you very much. You're welcome. The end. Thank you for listening.